Electric vehicles aren't exactly new, but here's what is. Car enthusiasts and restoration shops are taking the EV revolution into their own hands. Literally. Across the country, internal combustion engine classics are getting a jolt of modern tech through full-blown electric conversions. From muscle cars to Miatas, everything old is new again, minus the fumes. This trend is fueled by a mix of practicality, performance, and preservation. For starters, EV drivetrains have fewer moving parts, meaning less maintenance. No oil changes, no timing chains, and no carburetors to fuss with. For collectors, converting a classic car to electric power keeps it roadworthy in cities that are tightening emissions regulations. And for gearheads, instant torque is a heck of a selling point. That silent but deadly 0 to 60 mile per hour time gives a whole new meaning to a sleeper car. Another reason for the surge? Availability. Battery and motor technology has trickled down far enough that kits and components are now accessible to skilled DIYers and conversion shops alike. What used to be the domain of engineers with deep pockets is now within reach for hobbyists with the right tools and know-how. This movement isn't just about tech, it's about passion. You'll find everyone from retired engineers to weekend tinkerers diving in. Companies like EV West, Legacy EV, and Electric GT have carved out reputations supplying turnkey systems that fit everything from Volkswagen Beetles to Ferraris. These kits usually include motors, controllers, batteries, and even adapter plates to mate the electric motor to the original transmission. Then there are the bespoke builders, shops that specialize in high-end conversions for classic Land Rovers, Porsche 911s, and even vintage trucks. Some restorers see it as a way to future-proof beloved classics, while others view it as the next logical evolution of hot rodding, swapping horsepower for kilowatts. The pros of going electric are pretty clear. Electric conversions eliminate emissions, simplify maintenance, and improve reliability. Torque delivery is immediate, and regenerative braking adds range while reducing wear on brake components. Many conversions retain manual transmissions, giving drivers that tactile feel even in an EV setup. Plus, there's the cool factor. Rolling up to a car show in a silent '67 Mustang that outruns modern sports cars is hard to beat. But there's always a catch, and cost is the big one. Even DIY conversions can run $20,000 to $50,000, and professionally done builds easily exceed 6 figures. Battery placement and weight distribution are also major engineering hurdles, especially in smaller or older chassis. Then there's the soul factor. Some enthusiasts argue that without the sound, smell, and vibration of an internal combustion engine, a car loses its personality. Whether you see it as sacrilege or science in motion, ICE to EV conversions are gaining momentum. It's hot rodding for a new generation, one where volts replace valves and innovation keeps classic cars cruising into the future. The toolbox might look a little different, but the goal is the same. Keep the wheels turning, passion alive, and the ride unforgettable.